Hey guys, this is question 9. This is the last video I'm going to be making because number 10 is pretty easy, all things considered. So this is a question Sakari wrote, so shout out Sakari. So an evil hacker has encrypted a message and it says the following. Now, as a double equal sign, so already we know that this is a base 64. So what could this mean? And so you guys didn't need to type this. If you click this button, it'll give you it in the it'll give it to you in the console. So uh let's decode this and see where we're at. So we go to base 64 decode, paste it in, and we see this. Now what could this possibly be? Now salted should give us a hint, right? That this is some sort of encrypted message, right? Because or like password, because every time you store a password in a database, you salt it and then you hash it, right? So and it also says JS. So this is kind of where you get a little bit stuck. So let's go to the hint. Now, this is a hint I wrote after solving the question, so it should give you every single part of the question. So the opposition to the tortoise screams Ixa before the race starts on the map. So the opposition to the tortoise, right? The story of the tortoise and the hare should tell you that the opposition to the tortoise is rabbit. Now, so now a quick Google search will tell us rabbit, and then JS and crypto. So now we see crypto.js as a rabbit, as a module for rabbit. So that's pretty cool. So now we know that we have to take this base 64 encoded string and decode it using crypto, the crypto package for Node from Node that has the rabbit in it. So I have created a test.js file right here, and then we're gonna open up a PowerShell window. So we're gonna install crypto.js. So you just do npm install crypto.js. It'll install the package, and now we can use it. So we'll do var cj is require crypto.js. And then we're going to do var decrypted is going to equal cj dot rabbit dot decrypt, where the first parameter is going to be our base 64 string. So let me copy the base 64 string. And then the second decrypted dot toString of crypto.js, right? So cj dot encoded with UTF-8. So this is our plane, and now we're gonna get the base 64 decoded, right? So var b64 dec is gonna just be buffer, right? Buffer dot from, where it's we get the decrypted plane. So that's going to be our plain text. Do toString and convert that to ASCII. 1, 2, and then we're gonna just log the base64 decoded. I'm gonna save this, and we're gonna run node test.js. So we've decrypted this. So the first part of the code is 32, and the second part to the code is VX. So let's copy and paste this into Sublime, close out our PowerShell prompt. First part of the code is 32. So we know that the first two numbers are 32. And then the answer to the next one is VX. So let's go back to the hint and break down the hint a little bit more. So the hint, the opposition to the tortoise, rabbit, screams Ixa before the race starts on the map, right? So on the map tells us that the cipher key was the map, right? KZ rushed escape. Ixa is ASCII backwards, so he screams ASCII before the race starts. So VX is ASCII. So let's bring up an ASCII table. And let's look at V and X. So V, capital V, is 86 in decimal, right? So 86, and then X is going to be 88. So now, what do we do with these, right? We want to somehow get a number. So let's do 86 minus 32, and then we'll do 88 minus 32, right? So do 86 minus 32, that gives us 54. And then 88 is going to give us 56, right? So 56 and 54. So let's look at the decimal value of 54. That gives us a 6. And then 56 gives us an 8. Now this is interesting. So 3, 2, 8. Let's try that out and see if that works. So go 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And that is how you solve Sakaria's problem. Shout out Sakaria. That was a great problem. And it's really involved and interesting. And if you made it this far, congratulations. I am not going to do a video about this one because this is something that that I'm going to leave up to you. Thanks for watching. This has been the bonus 10 series. If you have any questions, please hit me up on Discord at rush to skate 0666. But yeah, thanks for watching.